In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix mouse cursor disappears when playing games in full screen mode. Search for Control Panel in the search menu and open it. Set the View By option to Large Icons and click on Mouse or Mouse Settings. Go to the Pointer Options tab, and if Display Pointer Trails is checked, and check it, and click Apply, then OK. Search for settings in the search menu, and on the right side click on Display. Under Scale, set it to 100%. Next, go to the in-game settings, ensure the resolution is correct and not overscale. And that's it. Hopefully, this resolves the issue. If it did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.